Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our requirement analysis video for episode number 23, and this will be for mechanical and process engineering in TU Bergakademie Freiberg. So this will be our episode number 23rd, because I just checked and the application is open till April 15th. So that's the reason I did thought of doing requirement analysis and also doing the application procedure 2 parts. Then it will be finishing before April 15th, and you guys can also see it and apply accordingly. And this will be, and before we get started with today's video, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. And if you're coming for the first time to our channel, in this channel we make videos of requirement analysis. At first, in the requirement analysis, we just go through the DAD website and we check for each courses regarding whichever the courses that you choose. Say example, in the stream of mechanical engineering, computer science, electrical engineering, civil, etc. Then we usually go into that website application requirement analysis. We just do the overview, course detail, cost and funding requirements and registration. Then we also get to know what are the documents that we need to submit in order to get into that particular course, what are the requirements that we need to fulfill, and when is the deadline. After having all this information, we will also note on the application window and the application procedure. After that, we will also make a prescribed application video where I will be showing step-by-step procedure on how to fill in the application and submit the application. These are the two types of, or these are the two varieties of application or videos that we make in our channel. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video, which I told you it will be episode number 23rd, and for mechanical and process engineering in TU Bergakademie Freiberg. So in overview, you can just see the degree is Master of Science MSc. If it is MSc, then it will be for sure 4 semester, and the course location is in Freiberg, and teaching language is completely English. So all courses conducted in English. So you can also write your thesis, complete all courses, everything in English. So no need to worry. Full-time, part-time, it is only full-time available, no part-time opportunities, and beginning of semester is only in winter semester. So the course will start generally from October 1st. Then the application deadline is 1st January to 15th April. The application already started from 1st January, but it is ending until 15th April. That's the reason I thought I will also make a video and finish the application procedure so that you guys can also apply. For applicants from India, China, Vietnam, they need to submit AP certificate at the time of submitting the application itself. So please make sure without APS, if you can submit the application, then you will get a rejection for sure. Tuition fees, there is no tuition fees. Combined master degree is also not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. And description of content, you can just see here. The degree program leads to advanced knowledge and skills of method and techniques, expertise in the field of mechanical and process engineering. It combines the knowledge both in mechanical and process supplies, machinery and plants with methods of process engineering. But how the course is divided for 120 ECTS or 120 credit points, you can just see here. In the first semester, the thermodynamics and heat transfer of fluid dynamics, particle technology, process equipment, endurance and design, and are compulsory to ensure that all the students program have same academic background. So this means in first semester you will be doing the compulsory modules of these many subjects, focusing on thermodynamics, fluid dynamics, particle technology, process equipment, etc. Then in second semester you will provide a theoretical framework where you would develop reliant scientific work techniques. Students are required to work on a project, small teams, and laboratory courses, etc. That will be doing in third semester. Then in you will be doing in second semester. And in third semester, the student will become familiar with design methods and also learn at least one numerical tool, where we will also completely learn a numerical tool. For that, you will be developing process engineering schemas and other things, whichever you like. But yeah, that is how the 3 semester is planned, and you don't need to worry about 4th semester, because 4th semester is prescribably allocated for your master thesis, where you will be doing 30 ECTS or 30 credit points of master thesis complete in 4th semester. Then after finishing your 4th semester thesis and defending your thesis with your defense, you will get a diploma supplement at the end of the degree. It is normal, and course language specific German course is there. So please make sure you will also join for this particular German courses, because with college German courses it will be free, one thing, and you will also get the opportunity to finish until A2 or B1, because it will be 0.1, 0.2. So for 4 semester you can do 2 levels, either A1, A2, or if you have already A1, then A2, B1 directly. So no need to worry. Then tuition fees per semester in euros, it is none, and the semester contribution is only 107 euros. So with this you don't get your tuition semester ticket. Upon that you need to also add like 300 euros per month once a year, 1 year. So this will be also Deutschland Stipendium, where you will get So upon the semester contribution 107, there will be no student ticket included, so you have to also add student ticket. So student ticket will come under maybe 300 or 250 for your college. You have to check with their college, but they will be having some subsidiary or some offers, so usually you will get it in 250 euros for 6 months. Then that is also covered in extra, so altogether it will comes up to 350-400 euros maximum. That will be your semester contribution or the fees for 6 semester or 1 semester. Then cost of living is depending upon 650 to 950 euros per month, which is also very less compared to most of the big cities. So you don't need to worry, and you don't need to worry for 1 year, because at first year you will be anyway blocking your blocked account, and that blocked account money will be divided into 12 parts and sent to you every month. After your blocked account is done, you should be eligible to show them what you will be doing for next year, or finding a job, or by getting a blocked account again. Then funding opportunity within the university. Yes, there is a funding opportunity within the university where you will have Deutschland Stipendium, where you will get 300 euro per month, and study completion grant also is there, where you will get 300 per month for 3 months if you, I think, top the class, or if you get a first rank in your class, like that. But what are the documents and what are the things that you need to have in order to apply for this particular college and get a admission? First, a complete bachelor degree and equivalent degree in the field of mechanical engineering, process engineering, or any comparable studies. So this usually comparable studies means whichever is related to mechanical and process engineering. As per I know, in Karnataka, most of the time it will be general mechanical engineering. That is one stream of study which usually people do, or industrial engineering in other ways. So people who have done mechanical engineering, process engineering, industrial engineering, which core knowledge is complete mechanical, then they can apply. With this, you need to have IELTS certificate of 6.5 equivalent, which will be B2 level, and APS is mandatory. You need to have now only when you are applying, not after getting an admission. You have to submit. You have to submit when you are applying only, and the deadline for application is 1st January to 15th April, we already know, and we will apply with application portal of TU Bergakademie Freiberg. Then you will get an admission after some time. Then after getting an admission, you will also apply for visa. Then your visa will be granted. With your visa, student visa, you are eligible to work 240 half days or 120 full days. That is now also increased to 140 full days and 280 half days, where you can work either 6 months complete full time or 1 year part times. Then in this student visa, you can either work technical or non-technical jobs, both. In technical jobs, you can find work student, internship, HEV, research assistant in any of the companies or research institute like Fraunhofer and Max Planck Institute. If you don't get any technical jobs, then you can also find non-technical jobs where you can work in a restaurant, lager shop, IKEA, etc., etc. As soon as you get your accommodation, as soon as you get your student, as soon as you get your admission letter, I suggest everybody to apply for accommodation or student in dorm inside the college, because if you apply fast, then you tend to get your student in dorm early. Then the student and dorm rents will be also usually cheap, 290 they are saying, so it will be around 290 to 350 euros per month, which will be comparably very less. Then if you don't get in student dorm, if you want to live in outside, then it will be significantly more. It will comes under 550, 600, 700 upon which you are living. So that's the reason usually student and dorm will be the better option to get it. Then career advisory service will be always there in the college, where you will get a counseling, training from technical and leadership skill. So that's the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in mechanical and process engineering for TU Bergakademie Freiberg. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and you know already the next 2 parts what we'll be doing. 2 application part videos where I will be showing how to apply for this particular course, and after this we will be also submitting the application. Until then, check care. Bye bye.